Hey guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Anil Patel, and let's see how to connect Oracle database with Tableau Desktop. So let's get started. So let's double click on Tableau Desktop icon, and it will take fraction of seconds or maximum 4 to 5 seconds. Okay, now we have a database, Oracle database. If you want to install Oracle database, so click on I button and you will see the installation process of Oracle database XE and installation of SQL developer. And again, I have shared and recorded one more video like how to connect Oracle database with SQL developer and how to unlock the HR user or other users and how to run the basic commands. So once you will able to perform that activity, that you can work easily with Oracle database with Tableau or any other reporting tools. So okay, so I have opened Tableau desktop, and this is let's open Oracle SQL developer. Not only Oracle SQL developer, but you can connect with the any of the database. The process is same. So this is Oracle database, and I created one more connection. So let me create one more connection, HR. Okay, now so inside HR we have multiple tables. So this is employees table, departments, countries, and I will share the link to learn Oracle database and to practice in uh, Oracle cloud database. So if you are using Mac and you want to practice in Oracle database, so I will share the link or I will make video and that will be very easy, like how to create account in Oracle database for online. uh, okay, so and practice. Okay, anyway, so how to connect this? So first we'll get the detail of database. So right click on the connection name and go to property, and all these details we have to give. So before that, that database, that user schema name should have a DB access, or generally in organizations we are using view. Okay, so we are using view because instead of using multiple tables we are creating view and we are using that view. So the benefit of view is we are getting only limited column whatever the useful for the reporting purpose, and we are not getting duplicate columns. Okay, so okay, let me give some DB access to HR, otherwise it won't connect, but okay, let's see. So here we have Oracle connection. So or click on more, and here whatever technology you want to connect you can easily connect. If that required some database connector or driver, so that will be redirected to the, suppose I want connect with Splunk, suppose. So if driver is not there in my system, so every company is using maximum one or two or max to max three databases only for the reporting purpose. Okay, so here you can click on the download and install the driver. So corresponding database has multiple driver, same corresponding databases have corresponding driver, and we can simply download and install the driver. Okay, so that's not a big deal. So click on Oracle here or in the corner. So click on Oracle, and here I'll enter the details like HR and its password. Okay, so here server name, service or SID both are the same, port number, username, password. Then click on sign in. Okay, so that is HR user schema. Now suppose I want employees, so just drag and drop employees table here. Okay, we can see, click on update, and you can see all the columns and data. And here we have two types of connection in Tableau. One is live and second is extract, and again filters. So those are like live filter and extract filter. So what is live and extract, that also I will show in upcoming sessions. And here just drag and drop departments, so it will create join automatically, or we will create join. So suppose what should be the join. So here let me create department ID join. Okay, now so based on department ID it will join. Okay, now so this is the connection page where we are creating connection, and that is only one time activity. When we are working in team, so there are different team members. Suppose one is creating connection, and this is only one time connections, or we are importing simply view. Okay, then go to sheet 1, and from here teamwork starts. So here you can see we have two tables. Okay, and this is a sheet, and this complete thing is called worksheet. Then we have cards, pages, filter, blah blah. Okay, so like someone is working on some visualization, some worksheet, some complex uh, uh, calculations, parameters, and creating dashboards. Okay, so there are multiple things. So that is a work of teamwork. And guys, you can work in Tableau project end to end by yourself only, by alone also. That is not a big deal at all. Okay, now so suppose let me drag and drop department ID and drag and drop into rows. These are department ID. Let me bring department name, and again salary. I'll double click and it will come salary, and I'll remove department name. Okay, okay, so there are few departments. There is salary is null. We can remove those values as well. uh, Here we can give first name, last name also. So like employee ID. So these are departments. Okay, so these are data. Okay, now so guys, whatever this blue color you can see a capsule kind of thing, this is called pills. Okay, so blue color is a dimension pill, and whatever green color, that is called measure pill. Means those are numbers. Not all numbers are called measures, like which we can calculate. Whatever the uh, numbers we can calculate, those are measures. Which we cannot calculate, or some descriptions, those are dimensions. Like your social security number, or in India we are using Aadhaar number. So Aadhaar is even number, but we cannot add multiple. Suppose we have 5 Aadhaar numbers, so we cannot do sum or min or max. That is totally useless. Okay, so I will make video on dimensions and measures, and then you will able to understand those concepts. Okay, let me make some filter. Click on filter, and where that is null, okay, so I don't want include null values, so we can include only relevant value, all values in database. Okay, something is null. Okay, so now I have removed null values. Now you can see these are the, so here we have used filter. Okay, now what if okay, the same, you can change the name. and here also we can rename. Okay, now so here we have show me, and whatever the graph chart we can use, we can easily use. So this is a bar graph or bar chart, and if we want make it horizontal or vertical, so you can see in a toolbar. So there are so many tools, like we can save, we can uh, make it undo, redo, we can add multiple databases here, we can pause the uh, okay, now we can add more worksheets here, or new dashboard, new story. We can duplicate and ascending, descending, whatever. Okay, so this is the swap row and column tool. So by this we can make it horizontal or vertical, and these are the axes. So we have x-axis and y-axis, so we can just change the numbers also in the axis, where that should start, where that should end. So that all we can uh, perform all those activities here. Okay, now if we want to change color, we can easily change color. So department names, where is department name? So this is department name. Let me bring into label, and currently there is only blue color. Let me put department name in color box. So you can see different colors are there for different department names, and we can change those colors also. That is called legend. Okay, now salary. So drag and drop salary also in label, and you will see the salary, and these numbers we can show in millions, billions, thousands, whatever. So let me show in thousands. So I'll bring here and click on measure, and here we have again multiple things like minimum, maximum, percentage, standard deviation, variance, whatever. Okay, now let me go to format. So control Z. Okay, so undo, redo, here we can do. Right click on sum of sales, salary, and go to format, and here we can change numbers. So suppose I want show that totals in suppose some currency custom decimal, and here thousands, millions, billions, whatever. Suppose I want see in thousands, so k, this thousands, and after decimal 2 points. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, now okay, now you can see, like we can make it vertical, horizontal, whatever. Okay, now you can see. So there are again multiple options here, like default, then total, grand total, specific value. So there are multiple options we have. So just you can see by this way we can see salary in total sum of salary in thousands, and we can change currency code also. So currency code, currency standard. So if I want see in US, so we can see in US. Okay, now you can see this is US dollar, and after decimal there are 2 digits, and here also we can make it custom. Here also thousands. Okay, so you can see here values. So friends, this is the basic of Tableau, and you can easily connect Tableau with Oracle database. And the way how you are connecting Tableau with Oracle database, you can connect with any of the database. If you are facing some difficulty, please comment in this YouTube channel. I will reply your question. So thank you for watching, and subscribe this channel. Don't leave without subscribing this channel, and please like and hit the bell icon. Thank you.